wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome welcome back to my channel. Getting on the internet looking like this is certainly a choice, but as you can see by the title, I am excited because we are trying Cecred. What is on my I was like, what is on my camera lens? We are trying Cecred by Beyonce. I am going to do a perm rod set, testing it out. I have the shampoo and conditioner, so if you guys want to see more, let's go. Now keep in mind, it is very late at night and this video is probably going to take a couple days to film. One, because I am currently taking out my quick weave. That's why I look like this, child. So tomorrow morning is when I'm going to actually wash my hair and do the perm rod set, and then the next day I'm going to take it out and then we can, you know, see the final look. Maybe even the day after that, it just depends. I like leaving them in for a longer period of time just because obviously, you know, I cannot think of the word, but y'all know what I mean. The longer it sits around the perm rod set, the curlier and more defined it's actually going to be. So yeah, I just took my quick weave out. I know y'all liked the bowl, but it was time for it to go. As you can see, baby, look at my scalp. And before you're like, whoa, wait a minute, that's the makeup. You know, the makeup on this, that's makeup on my scalp, okay? My scalp did not turn orange. So I'm gonna go ahead, take these braids down, and then go to bed. That itch after you take braids out, especially a quick. First of all, did y'all see the mom that gave her 1-year-old a quick weave? Baby, by the second day, I'll be like, so imagine that on a 1-year-old scalp. I'm not gonna say what I'm thinking, but I feel like y'all know what I'm thinking. So I am going to, here's one, wait, did I miss a braid? I think, yeah, I did. I am going to detangle my hair. No, not detangle, brush through, and then tomorrow I will wash it and do the perm rod set. I did miss one, but that is my scalp after taking that out. All right, y'all, so we're back. It is the next morning, so let's get right into it. So this is the clarifying shampoo and scalp scrub. Removes buildup and product residue for a deep clean, baby. Hello. I like the fact that this has a nozzle attached to it because it can help really get right into there. I guess you're supposed to use the clarifying shampoo and the hydrating shampoo together. I didn't buy the hydrating shampoo, so we're just going to wash twice with the same shampoo. So let's go. All right, y'all, so I just did the second go around. Much easier to do in the shower. I hate washing my hair in the sink. But you know, filming this video, gotta get angles, certain stuff like that. This is also why I don't do hair content. Just but first of all, the shampoo smells very good, very minty type feel. And can we look into, because you saw how it looked when I took the quick, literally my scalp was like beigey orange, that same place. It's giving clean scalp, which is why I love a clarifying shampoo. And given the fact that I do get a whole bunch of different hairstyles, like that's why I've been needing it, you know, to be build up, gel, all that stuff from braids. Next, I did not buy the hair mask that Cecred also sells. I don't know why, now that I think about it, like I just didn't. But you guys did just see that TPH by Taraji P. Henson sent me their mask on, a moisturizing conditioning mask. So since I have it, I'm going to use that in place of where I would have used the Cecred one. Okay, so I just took the mask off. Thoughts on it. Don't necessarily like the texture of it or like how it feels or how it is putting it on the hair, but y'all know I also have like a weird like texture, how things feel type of vibe. But I like the outcome after using it. Hair feels very soft, hydrated afterwards. Curls are already starting to give defined, and you know we're not even halfway in this process, dear Lord. But now on to the conditioner that I got. So this is the moisturizing deep conditioner. Looks like this. Apply generously to section clean, wet? Clean, I'm assuming that says wet hair, and distribute evenly from root to end with tooth comb. Leave on for no longer than 30 minutes. So let's get into this. Open this up. And that is what she looks like. Can you see that? That's what she looks like. All right, y'all, so that is my hair after washing out the deep conditioner. Hair feels clean. Like that's the biggest takeaway from this, is hair feels clean. Again, you know, scalp was looking real crazy after I took that quick weave out. Now comes the hard part, or not the hard part, but like the worst long parts, is putting in all the perm rods. My camera's about to die, so I've got it charging right now, but at some point I will take it off and then film me actually putting in the perm rods, and then that's pretty much it. Just leave that in overnight, maybe 2 nights, and then take that out. Y'all, I am literally left without words. Too much mouth. I am like 2 rods away from finishing 1/4 of the section of my hair, and I want to say the last time when I first looked at the clock, it was like 4:29. Now it says it's 4:44. Excuse me. Do you know how long it took me to do this the last time I put these perm rods in? Mind you, there's 90 of them, so you can figure out how I'm doing the math here on how I section out my hair. The detangling process was literally so much easier this time around. I do think the mask helps, but that deep conditioner, baby, I'm talking, it was deep, okay? That, you know how deep conditioner makes your hair all soft and easy to detangle, especially if you detangle beforehand? Baby, literally once I finish these two, that's 1/4 of my head done. I was prepared for this to at least take me 4 hours. If we could do 2, all right. I was gonna say ponytail, it's not ponytail. What do we call Beyonce? All right, bangs. Y'all, I am blown away. I told y'all 4:44, I had like 2 more rods to go, which I think I finished around 4:47, 4:49, somewhere around there, right? I just finished the other side of the back of my head and it's 5:22. So it's taking me about like 30-ish, my arm hurts from the gym, 30-ish minutes to finish each section of my head. Did you hear how long I told you it took me to do this the last time that I did this? And I solely believe it is because of the state of my hair this time around. When I tell you the hair is separating for me, like the detangling process. And like I said, I do feel like the hydration mask from TPH also plays a huge role in this, but that deep conditioning mask, like I feel like the clarifying shampoo did what it had to do. It clarified, it really got a deep clean in there in my scalp. But I also feel like the deep conditioner is doing what it needed to do. It conditioned my hair. The condition that it's in right now, literally sliding off the bone. But I might need to take a break. My arm really hurts. I might need to take a break because I have to edit a YouTube video really quickly. But I feel like I might be able to finish. Well, I kind of just want to finish right now, especially if it's only taking like 30 minutes each section. But also like the video has to go up at a certain time. What was I saying? So I might do one more section and then go edit the video really quickly. But like the possibility of possibly being done before 7 is crazy to me because I was fully prepared to be finishing around like 9 p.m. On today's episode of Shanine don't be having the patience to do her own hair, but they are all out. This is what it looks like. See how defined that is? Oh, baby, I think I told y'all the last time I did a perm rod set, whatever side is the last side that I take the rods out, it's gonna be messier than the initial side because I literally just do not have the patience. Like once I get through this side, you see how like it's fuzzier down here because I was literally just pulling them out. I just don't have the patience for this, but I am going to go ahead, fluff this out, finish my makeup, and then come back with my final thoughts on Cecred. All right, y'all, it took 3 days to film this video. We are finally at the end. This is how fluffed out I made it, just because it's going to, you know, fluff out even more. So first day, you know, still want it like real tight in. And I was giving my opinions on the products throughout the video, but I like all 3 of the products that I tried in this video because this is my first time trying all of them. I did do a perm rod set a couple months ago, like late 2023. And I feel like if you look at that and then you look at this one, you can literally tell that there is a difference. This is definitely giving much more defined. Like, yeah, it was still defined at that point, but I feel like it was a little bushier. And the only difference is the shampoo conditioner mask that I use, because I use the same mousse and of course the same perm rod, stuff like that, to do this one. The clarifying shampoo, it was clarifying, okay? If my scalp needed it, that good scrub, you know, you really get in there. It felt squeaky clean after I washed my hair. It does have the beads in it that I guess are supposed to kind of help like exfoliate while you're scrubbing. So that's cool on that. The hair mask, like I said, it was very hydrating to my hair afterwards, and again, I needed it. You know, I did have the quick weave in for about a month, and I do feel like the hair mask played a role in the detangling process being a whole lot easier. That was the biggest takeaway for me, because one of the reasons I hate doing my own hair is the detangle process. I have very thick hair and it just gets very when trying to detangle it. But I feel like the hair mask plus the deep conditioner, literally, like, my hair was just easily separating. It made the process a whole lot easier putting these in. It took 2 hours as opposed to the like 4 that it took the last time, but also the last time I was taking breaks because it was annoying me, because I don't like doing this. The deep conditioner, again, you know, left the hair mask and the deep conditioner in for 30 minutes each. Really penetrated the hair, really felt nice afterwards. My battery's about to die, so I like all 3 products that I tried out. I do kind of want to try the hair mask from Cecred, but I do like the hair mask from TPH, so I might finish that before I get the one from Beyonce. And then also I was kind of intrigued in the hair oil as well. But those are my thoughts on this. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up before it just randomly cuts off. I hope seeing me test this out has helped, and you think I'm checking it out for yourself. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, 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 yeah.